Alright guys, the PS3 emulator, which is a native PS3 emulator for Android, has reached version 0.9. And guys, believe me, this version is way more stable than before. In this video, we will check out its performance, test some games and see how well it's hold up, and let's get started guys. So here it is guys, the latest version of Aps3e emulator, which is 0.9, now packed with several fixes and improvements. Just look at this. Here in the settings menu, we have now a bunch of options available like RPCS3 Android emulator. Look at this guys, so many settings are now available, but I would personally recommend not tweaking most of settings. Emulator performs really well on the default settings, so it's best to leave them as they are. Look at this guys, there are plenty of options available under the video settings as well, but for now guys, it's best not to mess with them. And guys, I was searching for the resolution upscale, but I couldn't find it. However, the standard resolution settings are available here, and there are a few settings here that you can enable to fix graphics glitches like read color buffer and write color buffer. Turning these on can help improving visual accuracy and fix rendering issues in some games. And here guys, as you can see, we are running Sonic game, and the greatest thing in this version is that they have fixed the color graphics. I really like this improvement, and it works perfectly across all devices. And as you can see here guys, we ran your favorite game here, Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Revolution. It was running super smooth with no crashes at all during gameplay, which was really impressive. But guys, my device did heat up a bit while running the game, so I let it cool down first and then tested it again.